Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Today we will do some sort of revision work from our honeysuckle. First from this chapter, who I am. Okay. Now question might come from this chapter that whose favorite activity is climbing trees. And your options if you get like Peter, Sharbajit, Dolma, none of these. So yeah, the answer will be none of this because it was the favorite pastime or favorite activity of Radha. Achha, next another question might come that whose house was or who lived in a village, and your options Rohit, Nasir, Sarvajit, none of these. So here the answer will be Nasir because we have come to know reading this part that we have cotton fields in our village and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So from here we can come to know that Nasir's house was in a village. And moreover in the exercise also it is written that for this true and false, Nasir lives in the city. So this one we have considered false because Nasir used to live in a village. Now next question might come like this that who wanted to become the Prime Minister of India? Options Peter, Dolma, then Sarvajit, Nasir. So here the answer will be Dolma because it is written here that when I grow up I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. Now next question might come like this that whose favorite day is Sunday? If it is mentioned only Sunday and if the options are given like this that Peter, Dolma, Sarvajit, none of these. So here you will click the answer Peter. Though it is not mentioned that which Sunday, second Sunday, fourth Sunday, third Sunday, first Sunday, whatever. If it is, even if it is not mentioned, if it is written only the favorite day is Sunday, whose favorite day is Sunday, and there in the options you get Peter, Dolma, Nasir and Sarvajit, or Peter, Dolma, Sarvajit and none of these. So here you will definitely click Peter. Okay. Now another question might come. Whose favorite day was fourth Sunday of every month? Whose favorite day was or is? It doesn't matter whether in the past tense the question is asked or in the present tense the question is asked. Definitely it's better to ask in past tense because when we are reading this one, at that time already these children they have grown up. So it is not anymore in the present tense. But still then if it comes in present tense or past tense, it does not matter. Only you need to know that what is the actual fact. So if the question comes that whose favorite day is or was the fourth Sunday of every month, and the options are given Peter, Dolma, Rohit, none of these. There you have to click none of these because there the number is mentioned. The adjective is given the fourth Sunday. So you cannot click it for Peter because in the story it is written favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. If it is written only Sunday, and the number is not mentioned and the options there you find Peter, then definitely you will click Peter. Because in the whole chapter we have come to know that only Peter has mentioned his preference for Sunday. It might be the second Sunday of every month. But if the question comes like this that whose favorite day is the fourth Sunday of every month, there we are coming to know that means the number is mentioned, and here in the whole chapter we have not seen anybody or any child is saying about the preference for the fourth Sunday. No, it is not there. So, and if the options are given over there, Peter, Rohit, Dolma, none of these, then you must click to none of these. So children, you have to be careful, okay? You have to read the question properly. The question might be somewhat confusing for you. But if you read the chapters properly and if you read the questions properly before answering them, then nothing will remain confusing for you. Everything will be very easy for you. Everything will seem very easy to you. So I am repeating again the question. If the question comes that whose favorite day is Sunday, then there the options are given Peter, Dolma, Sarvajit, none of this. There you will click Peter, because in the whole chapter we have come to know that Peter has said about his preference for Sunday, might be second Sunday. And if the question comes that whose favorite day is the fourth Sunday of every month, and there the options are given Peter, Sarvajit, Dolma, none of these. There you will click none of this. Okay. Then a question might come like this, that who had the preference for traveling, or who wanted to travel a lot? Who wanted to travel a lot, or who preferred traveling, or who dreams about traveling a lot? If it is the matter of traveling, then definitely if you get in the options the names like Nasir, Rohit, Sarvajit, none of these or all of these, there definitely will click to Rohit, because it is written, if I had a huge amount of money I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. So in this whole chapter we have come to know about this Rohit's preference for traveling. He loved to travel, or he wanted to travel. So that's why, likewise, if a question comes like who preferred traveling, or who wanted to travel a lot, or who loved traveling, and if there the question options you get Nasir, Rohit, Sarvajit, all of these or none of these, definitely will click to Rohit. Okay. Because it is clearly written, if I had a huge amount of money I would travel and travel. So next come to this chapter. There is fair play. I can give you some idea that what type of questions might come. Okay. Now, what can I ask? What can I ask? Yes. Jhuman and Algu were very good options now. Friends, companions, then what else I can say? Friends, companions, then neighbors, if I say neighbors, and actually no, forget about this question, forget about this, no. Jhuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, sorry, I'm very sorry. Jhuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were very good dash. Friends, enemies, neighbors, villagers. Okay, if the question comes like this, the options might be friends, enemies, villagers and neighbors. Definitely you have to click to friends. Don't opt for these villages or neighbors or something else. Okay, don't opt for it, because might be they were very good villagers, but it is written over here that Jhuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So first one which is coming in front of us about this relation of Jhuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary is that they were very good friends. So if the options come to confuse you, like villages, might be they used to live in the same village, very good villages, but that does not mean that they were very good friends. If you are clicking for very good villagers, it does not mean that they are very good friends. Again, if you are clicking for that very good neighbors, it is not written that their house were very near to one another or they lived in the same neighborhood. It is not written in the whole story. But what is written is that Jhuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So if the option comes like good friends, good enemies, good neighbors, good villages, we will click for good friends. Okay. Next question. It can be like this that but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Who said this to whom? Jhuman's aunt said this to Jhuman. Jhuman's aunt said this to Algu Chaudhary. Jhuman's aunt said this to the panchayat. None of these. So definitely the answer will be Jhuman's aunt said this to Algu Chaudhary. Next. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old dash tree. The options are mango, people, then guava, none of these. So here the answer will be none of this because it was an old banyan tree. Next. Next question can be like this that what have you to say in your defense? What have you to say in your defense? Who said this or who is the speaker? And your options are Jhuman Sheikh, Jhuman's aunt, Algu Chaudhary, the panchayat members or the panchas. So here the answer will be Algu Chaudhary because it is written here in this para number 6, not para actually, but this whole portion of 6, you can come over here to see page number 87, that it is written, Jhuman said Algu, you and I are old friends, your aunt is as dear to me as you, now I am a panch, you and your aunt are equal before me, what have you to say in your defense? So you kindly see properly what are the options. Jhuman said this, or who is the speaker? Jhuman is the speaker, Jhuman's aunt is the speaker, Algu Chaudhary is the speaker, the panchas are the speakers, or the, better to say who said this. The question was who said this. So Jhuman Sheikh, Jhuman's aunt, Algu Chaudhary, and the next option might be the panchas. See the spelling Panchs, panchas. So when it is becoming plural, at that time you cannot click it. Though it is written that Jhuman said Algu, you and I are old friends, your aunt is dear to me as you, now I am a panch. Though it is written I am a panch, but it is not written panchas. Panchs, that means it is not written in plural. So that's why here you have to click to the answer Algu Chaudhary. So I'm just giving you some ideas that in which way the question might be confusing for you. If you don't read the chapter properly, will not be able to answer correctly. Okay, next another question might come in this way that Jhuman was Algu's enemy and wanted his dash. Reward for friendship, revenge, support, none of these. So here the answer will be revenge. Next, another question might come in this way that Jhuman came to Algu. Dash embraced him and said, Now leave it, leave it. It will be very confusing for you. Okay. A dash has no friend nor enemy. A dash has no friend nor enemy. So the options are villages, neighbors, punch, all of these. So here the answer will be punch. So children, with this we end our class here. Be very careful, read the chapters properly, read the questions properly, read the options properly, then only you click the answer. I repeat, read the chapters properly, read the questions properly, read the options properly, then only you click the answer. Immediately don't click the answers because it might be somewhat confusing. Why confusing I am saying? Because if you don't read properly, you will feel no, this is the answer, that is the answer, that word is so close to it. So why I should not click to it? Jumana and Algu, they used to live in the same village. So good villagers, why not? Why good friends, good villagers also? If you think and you click to that villagers, then it will become wrong because I want the answer good friends. It is written there because nowhere in the story it is written that they were very good villagers. Good villagers and good friends, differences are there. Next another one like that, who is the speaker here? Algu Chaudhary, Jhuman Sheikh, Jhuman Sant, the punches. If you remember that no, Algu Chaudhary has said that being a punch, I have to say this. So Algu Chaudhary has said punch, so if I click to the punches, the answer will be correct. No, it is written there plural, and in the story it is written singular. So when it is singular, it can be the answer, but in the option it is written plural. So it will not be the answer. Algu Chaudhary will be the answer. So for these reasons, I have said you several times that read the chapters properly. Okay, read properly and just with a cool brain sit to appear for your PT2 English exam. All the best to all of you. Bye.